Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set your temperature meter. First, let's understand the various types of meters you might encounter, from simple digital thermometers to more complex infrared devices. Next, we'll go over powering on your specific meter and preparing it for use. Finally, we'll cover selecting your preferred temperature unit, whether that's Celsius or Fahrenheit, ensuring your readings are displayed exactly as you need them. Achieving accurate measurements starts with proper calibration. We'll discuss how to calibrate your device, often involving a known reference point like an ice bath at 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, we'll focus on correctly positioning the sensor. Remember, the sensor should be in direct contact with the object or environment you're measuring, and always ensure it's clean for reliable data. Many modern temperature meters offer advanced features that can greatly enhance your monitoring capabilities. We'll explore functions like data logging, which allows you to record measurements over time, and how to set up custom alarm thresholds. You can program your meter to alert you if temperatures exceed a high limit or drop below a low limit, providing crucial real-time feedback for critical applications. To ensure your temperature meter remains reliable for years, regular maintenance is key. We'll cover simple cleaning routines and battery replacement. We'll also discuss common troubleshooting steps for issues like inconsistent readings or display errors. Finally, proper storage is vital. Keep your meter in a dry, protected environment, ideally within its original case, to prevent damage and maintain its accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.